Hey everyone, have you ever seen a bird using a tree hollow as its home or a plant growing on another tree? Did you know there is a fascinating name for this kind of behavior and it's called Inquilism? Today we are going to explore what it is and why it's such a clever survival trick in nature. So let's dive in. Inquilism is when one animal or plant lives in the home or shelter of another. What's cool is that it doesn't hurt the host. It's like borrowing a house without causing damage. For example, some birds don't make their own nest. Instead, they move into tree hollows made by other birds like woodpeckers. It's like moving into a house someone else built. Super convenient, right? So let's look at some amazing examples of inquilism in the wild. Some beetles live inside ant nest. They even give off special smells that make the ants think they belong there. Talk about a clever disguise. And in the ocean, a tiny fish called pearlfish hides inside a sea cucumber's body to stay safe from predators. Imagine having a sea cucumber as your secret hideout. But why do these animals and plants rely on inquilism? Simple. It's all about saving energy. Building a home or finding shelter takes a lot of effort. By moving into a ready made house, animals save energy and time, giving them a better chance to survive and reproduce. It's nature's way of working smarter, not harder. Here are some fun and surprising examples of inquilism. Some bees called cuckoo bees sneak their eggs into another bee's nest. Their babies eat the food stored there. Orchids and other plants grow on trees using their branches to get more sunlight, but they don't harm the tree. Some tiny spiders live in the webs of bigger spiders, eating leftover food without being noticed. Inquilism shows how smart and resourceful nature can be. It's like a master class in making the most of what's already there. From birds to insects to plants, inquilism is proof that teamwork, or at least sharing, is a key to survival. Thanks for joining me today to explore this amazing part of nature. If you enjoyed learning about inquilism, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vital Mysteries. See you next time for more incredible discoveries.